Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A04e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and then click install. Now you can click open and then you have to swipe up and click OK. And now click on this button to skip introduction and then click open permissions. Click not now and click here to allow this app to appear on top, and then you can go back and click start. And as you can see, there is my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.